Alright, what's up guys? Caden back. I'm going to be showing you my Ken Griffey Junior cards. Okay, let's get into it. We'll start worst to best. So the worst Ken Griffey Junior card that I have is this one. I had this for free. I'm collecting Ken Griffey Juniors now. This is the remake of 2020, yeah, it's 21-20, yeah. Ken Griffey Junior, Cincinnati. Alright, second card is, Second card is this card. It's a pretty cool card, so I had to grab it. Rifleman. I mean, he is Rifleman. This is 91. It's 491 Rifleman. I have more somewhere. My dad gave me his rookie upper deck. But I don't feel like going to get it, so I'm just showing you what I got from the card show that I just went to recently. Alright. Yeah. There we go. Alright, then I would probably say it would have to be this one. This one's like pretty cool because I had to pick it up because it had home run on it and like he hit bombs, dingers. My favorite player of all time. So like, yeah. But yeah, here's the back. The back's pretty cool. Then I would probably have to say it's this one. Because I had to pick this up when I saw it because like it's him in the dugout and all that. So like, and then it has this little picture. And he's like laughing. Here's the back. Who's it made by though? Who's this made by? Upper Deck. Upper Deck right there. Upper Deck. Yeah. Ken Griffey Junior. There. Alright, then I would probably have to say this one. I had to pick it because it's his second year playing, and it looks like his rookie card. So like, yeah, and it looks like his Upper Deck rookie card, 1990 right there. Card's old. No idea why that's on there, but like, yeah, it's him on the back. So like, yeah. Alright, then I would probably have to say this one. Ken Griffey Junior. This is rookie. Wait, I think this is his rookie. Wait, let me check the back. It does not say their year on it. Let me try to find it. I'm mad they didn't put the year on it. Topps didn't. I know Topps makes it, but like it doesn't have the year on it. Hold on, I'm gonna try to get the sticker off. Yeah, I got that one for $10. Okay. Then I would probably have to say this one, rated rookie Ken Griffey Jr. Don Russ 89. Ken Griffey Jr. Rookie. Got this one for about $15, I believe. Yeah. Whoop, whoop. Alright, there we go. Then I would probably say this one. This is not a patch. This is not a patch. Not a patch. that's like fake. They put that on there because is 1997 All-Star. Most valuable player. But this was actually made 2023. Yeah, 2023 right there. As you can see. And then, yeah, there's him right there. Ken Griffey Junior, Mariners. Add that to the pile. Finally, my best card that I got from the card show. Ready to see? Yeah. Mint 9, Ken Griffey Jr. Rookie, Fleer. 89, Ken Griffey Jr. PSA. Here's the back. Card is old. So I'll let you see it. I can barely even read it. It's like peeling off. The All-Star break. After Junior. Then yeah. I really love this card. It's probably my favorite one of all time, yeah. I'll do a quick lineup for you real quick. Here's all my Ken Griffey Junior cards that I got from the card show. There we are. See ya. Peace.